Hello students, welcome back to the chemistry class. In our today's class, we will discuss derivation of universal law of gravitation. So, now let's see. See there two objects A and B separated by a distance D. The distance between the center is considered the distance between the two objects A and B. The mass of object A is m1 and that of object B is m2. As object, so let's see, as object m1 bigger than m2. Look at C, right? So in this way, every object in the universe attracts every other objects with a force which is directly proportional to the products of their mass and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So let's see, we can write F is directly proportional to m1 into m2 and the F is inversely proportional 1 by d2, d square. When we combined with both reaction, so we will get F proportional m1 times m2 over d2. So if the mass of any object's force is increases, then gravitational force will have more magnitude and more than distance between two objects less their gravitational force. So force is directly proportional to the product's masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This can be written as F. F is equal to G times m1 times m2 over d square. Now here G here is the constant of proportionality and is called universal gravitational constant. If this equation can be modified, can written as G is equal to F times d square over m1 times m2. So let's see the value of G. Actually, the value of G was found out by Lord Henry Cavendish using a torsion balance, that this value is found. So the universally accepted value of G is 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11. So let's see what will be the units of G. So now here force is newtons, as distance is meter. So we have meters square. As the mass is measured using kilograms, so we multiplied this with kilogram raised to negative 2. So this is the value of universal gravitational constant. So students, I hope this topic is clearly understood, and we will discuss our next topic, that is acceleration due to gravity, in our next class. See you in our next class. Thank you.